Welcome to IFA Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The war between the guinea fowl and the leopard. Igbo offering. A bunch of Ìkínìs with their thorns. One guinea fowl, leopard or tiger skin. Soil from the house, all types of food, smoked jutia, hutia, and fish, roasted corn, candle, coconut, and a lot of money. Suyer, chant. Ekun opoigun, lekwo, lodafun, Òjuani. Story. The guinea fowl and the leopard were good friends. One day, the leopard said to her, "I wish to visit your home," and she replied, "That is not very easy. It is located in a rather intricate place." Sometime later, they met again at a party that Sanyin was hosting for all the inhabitants of the forest. The leopard said to the guinea fowl, "My friend, I will take this opportunity to accompany you home and finally see where you live." And so, they set off toward the guinea fowl's home. After the leopard's visit, the guinea fowl began to ponder. "He told me he would need me again and had a surprise for me, but I do not trust him." She went to see Òrúnmìlà, who divined for her using this IFA, and told her, "Bring me a bunch of green Ìkínìs with their thorns and the studded cloth that you wear. I will prepare ebo for you, and afterward you will change your residence." Then Òrúnmìlà wrapped the bunch of green Ìkínìs with the guinea fowl's clothing and said, "Place this where you usually sleep, but you will go rest somewhere else, on the roof of another house. Stay alert so you can see what happens in your home." That night, the leopard lay in ambush at the entrance of the guinea fowl's house. He sneaked inside and, seeing the bundle, thought it was the guinea fowl sleeping. Roaring, he pounced, but the thorns of the Ìkínìs pierced his paws and chest. He tried to remove the thorns, but they only burrowed deeper, making his blood flow. From the rooftop, the guinea fowl sang, "Ekun igun opo pokua lodafun Òjuani." Thanks to Ojuani, the leopard fell upon the thorns and was killed. Thus, thanks to Òrúnmìlà, the guinea fowl discovered who her enemy was and rid herself of him.